In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create budgets in QuickBooks Online. Creating a budget is a crucial step for managing your finances and planning for the future. Whether you're a small business owner or managing personal finances, budgets help you keep track of your financial goals. So, let's dive in and explore how you can set up a budget in QuickBooks Online with ease and precision. First things first, let's navigate to the Settings area in QuickBooks Online. To do this, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see the gear icon, which represents the Settings menu. Go ahead and click on that icon to proceed. This menu is your gateway to a range of settings options, and today, we'll focus on budgeting. Once the Settings menu is open, scroll down to find the option labeled Budgeting. Click on this, and you'll be taken to the budgeting interface. This is where you can either create new budgets or import existing ones. But for today's tutorial, we're going to walk through the process of creating a new budget from scratch. To start, click on the button that says Create Budget. Here, QuickBooks gives you the option to get creative with your financial planning. Of course, if you already have budgets in another format, you can choose to import them instead. But for today, we're focusing on building a brand new budget. Now, let's talk about the different types of budgets you can create. First, you'll need to choose your budget type. QuickBooks offers you two main options, a profit and loss budget or a balance sheet budget. Depending on whether you're focused on keeping track of your income and expenses or managing assets and liabilities, you'll make your choice here. After selecting your type, you will need to decide on the period for your budget. Think about your financial planning needs. Are you aiming for a monthly, quarterly, or even annual budget? Choose the period that best aligns with your financial goals. Next up is the budget format. You can choose between a consolidated format or a subdivided one. A consolidated budget gives you a high-level overview, while a subdivided budget offers more detailed insights into specific areas. Once you've made your decision, go ahead and click Next to move forward. And now, you're ready to start creating your budget. This is where you customize the different financial elements and input figures that reflect your financial reality. Tailor your budget based on estimated revenues, expenses, and other key financial components. And that's all there is to it. Creating a budget in QuickBooks Online is straightforward once you familiarize yourself with these steps. It's a powerful tool to help you manage your finances and achieve your fiscal goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you build a successful budget in QuickBooks.